changed in an instant. Imagine the shock on your face as the lights go out, the sirens wail, and your everyday life is thrown into chaos. Would you be prepared? The everyday items that can become lifesavers in a crisis. Ready to be surprised? Let's go. Picture this, you're caught outdoors during a sudden storm. Where do you go? Enter the Go Time Gear Life tent. This ultra-lightweight, ultra-packable emergency shelter can be your haven in a hurry. Just throw it over some branches or secure it to the ground, and you have a wind and rain-proof barrier. Talk about a lifesaver. Imagine a world without power. No way to charge your devices, no way to stay connected. That's where a portable power station like the Vitalman Jump 600X solar generator becomes your knight in shining armor. This powerhouse harnesses the sun's energy to keep your essential electronics alive, a lifeline to information and communication during a crisis. Here's the thing, in a crisis, you might need to navigate unfamiliar territory. The orienteering compass is your guide, helping you find your way even without GPS. And for your most valuable items, the Rollaway Fireproof Bag offers peace of mind. Fireproof and water-resistant, it protects your important documents and keeps them safe. Let's face it, sometimes the most unexpected things become the most useful. The Etic Pry Bar Multi-Tool is more than just a fancy name. It's a bottle opener, a screwdriver, a crowbar, a true multitasking marvel for everyday situations and emergencies. And hey, even in a crisis, a little self-care goes a long way. The ultimate men's grooming kit keeps you looking and feeling sharp, no matter what the situation throws your way. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. The survival kit is a no-brainer. It's packed with essential first aid supplies, an emergency tent, and more, ensuring you're prepared for anything. The crime scene documentation kit is a bit more specific. Let's just say, being prepared can cover a wider range of situations than you might think. We'll leave that one up to your imagination. So, there you have it, the unlikely heroes of survival. Remember, being prepared is empowering. It gives you a sense of control even when the world feels out of control. Head down to the description box below for links to all these amazing products. Because let's be honest, some things are better left to the professionals. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video for showing support. Thank you. Don't wait until it's too late. Take charge of your safety and be the hero of your own story.